Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to open quickly YouTube with single click using shortcut. So friends, firstly you need to create a shortcut. So right click on display, move your cursor to new and click on shortcut. Type the location of the item like https://www.youtube.com and then click on next. Type a name for this shortcut like YouTube and click on finish. Now right click on that shortcut, click on properties, change icon if you like, select any icon, and also you can browse any icon from your PC and click on OK. Enter the shortcut for opening this YouTube by shortcut. So enter your desired shortcut like Control Alt K, then click on apply, then OK. So you can open now YouTube with single click like this. And also you can open YouTube with your desired shortcut. So like this you can open with single click YouTube. And if you want to know how to enable single click in your Windows PC to open the folder, so check my this video, which is the link in upside iCard. So that's it friends. By this easy and simple method we can open YouTube with single click. Please comment this video is useful or not. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.